How to turn off autoplay on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of One Step. When autoplay is enabled, your data is consumed more. So if you want to avoid this, in this video, let me show you how it's done. Now there is no exact way of stopping these videos from playing, but however, there is a way that you can turn off the auto loads. So for example, you may have noticed even when there is no Wi-Fi or internet, and when you open up Instagram, it still plays videos. So that is the auto run or autoplay feature of Instagram. There is an option of only disabling that. So to do that, tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings, and then head over to accounts. From here, if you scroll down, you'll see an option of mobile data uses. You can tap on it, and under use less data, you can see data saver. And it says when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. So you can just toggle this on, and you can select whether you want to work it for Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi plus mobile data. Now whenever this is turned on, you won't be able to load in videos when there is no internet connection, so that means your data is being consumed less. But there is no complete option turning off the autoplay while you scroll through the videos or scroll through your feed on Instagram. So I hope you guys found this video. It was a real quick and easy video, and that's gonna be all for today. I hope you guys understood. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.